Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Nothing Phone 1. So I bought the black model as it was the cheapest model. Let's unbox it. So you have this little red strip here. We just pull up, boom, and we pull up like so. Okay, so from here, we have to go all the way back as well. This is interesting unboxing. So from here we have these side compartments. Let's take a look at these. So I'm just going to zoom out. So it seems like we have the Nothing Phone itself. Let's take a look at what we... Oh my goodness, that was not planned. So I was trying to get the paper out. It doesn't seem the paper, you know, you can chuck out. You can't chuck out the paper, but you can chuck out the phone, all right? Look at this. Hopefully I haven't damaged it. It does look okay. We'll take a look at it, the phone in a second. But the actual paper stuff, here we go. So it just says accessories, as you can see. Let's try and open this up. And we have the charging cable, obviously no power brick, thank you Apple for that trend. And we have the SIM ejector tool. This one looks pretty darn cool, as you can see right here. Okay, let's move this to the side, not really necessary. Now we have the Nothing Phone itself. So let's see, how do I unbox this? Okay, so you just pull this plastic. As this phone is, you know, meant to be eco-friendly, it would be kind of, this is not how you unbox this phone, oh my goodness. It would be kind of nice if this was paper, you know how Apple do it. And I'm actually struggling here. Am I doing this right? Like if I pull this way, I pull on the plastic, I'm going to return this phone in 30 days. So you have all these pull tabs, they go nowhere. This is a bit concerning. Like I feel like I'm ripping this device. So, okay, the pull tab wasn't very easy to pull off. I'm confused here. Am I meant to rip the paper? Oh, there's the pull tab on the other side. So one of the pull tabs was really easy to remove. These ones are actually kind of tough, if I'm being honest. But there we go. Okay, so not the easiest unboxing experience of the phone. I'm a tech guy and I actually struggled there. Oh my goodness, look at this guy right here. So if you don't see this in person, this does not look as cool. I've watched the videos, I thought, this ain't that cool. You look at it in person, just having the depth, the perception of depth just looks insane. I mean, I'm gonna move my ring light so you get a bit better light. Oh my goodness, this just looks so cool. I don't know how else to say it. This phone actually looks incredible. Okay, so if we take a look at the front, it looks regular. Compare this to like an iPhone 7. So this honestly looks like an iPhone 13 Pro Max. My main iPhone is the iPhone 12 mini, which I can't see. Oh, here we go. Let's take a look at these two devices. This is iPhone 12 mini. This is Nothing Phone 1. So that there is a deal breaker. Honestly, I thought this would be like a 12 mini size, maybe an iPhone 12 size. This does look more like an iPhone 13 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max size. So definitely do keep that in mind. It's a lot larger than it looks. It does look pretty cool though. Let's turn this guy on. And first impressions of the buttons themselves, they do feel like iPhone buttons, you know? Like if I click this, I click this guy, they feel the exact same. Same with the volume rockers, but no mute switch. Okay, SIM card at the bottom. Smudge departments. Smudge is, okay, it's a smudge magnet, but yeah, I already have a Sony Xperia Pro I, the device I'm using to record this video, so I'm definitely not going to be upgrading. I do notice the OLED display right away. Looks kind of neat. I love OLED displays, let me tell you. Way better than mini LED. I don't know why they do a trend there. And we have this little loading bar. So this should be regular Android, just with a nothing, you know, theme on top, I guess. Let's see. And yeah, we got dark mode, which is interesting. I'm assuming if you had the white version, you'd see the white hello screen. Because I'm recording in HDR, this may look a little bit dark, but for me it does look nice and bright. So yeah, that looks like the regular Android setup. It seems like they just changed the setup pictures and the font. So I'm going to have videos on how to set up the Nothing Phone, how to use it, all that good stuff. So check those videos out in the description. Review and comparison versus the Pixel A 6a, as you can see right here in the description. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.